How to hide a file or folder on Mac? In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to turn any file or folder into a hidden version that cannot be seen. Please consider liking and subscribing if this video helps you out. Here I have a folder that I want to hide and a file that I want to hide. To go ahead and do this, hit the search magnify glass icon in the top right and search for terminal. Hit enter to open it. Once terminal comes up, you need to type the command chflags space hidden space and then go ahead and drag the file that you would like to make hidden onto the end of the command. Once you've done this, hit enter and it is gone. To show this again, I'm going to enter the same command, drag the file, hit enter, and it is gone as well. So now that these files are hidden, how do I see them? To make all hidden files visible, go ahead and hold down Shift, Command, and period. Once you do this, the files you just hid will be visible again. You can then do whatever you would like to do with your hidden files, and when you want to hide them again, go ahead and hit Command Shift period a second time, to which they will all vanish. Please like and subscribe if this video helped you because it would really help me out. Thank you so much for watching.